Hello everybody, this is Stephanie, and I have something to show you here. Perry is taken out of the box, and I thank the people who gave this to me for a sample. What this is a what is that called? A door stopper, basically. Not a door stopper, but a bar, basically to keep people out and keep things out. So we bought this for our got this for our patio door, and thank you to the people who sent it to me for a sample and for me to try, and I really need it. So go ahead, Perry, put it together. It comes with 3 pieces, right, Perry? Yeah, see, those are 3 pieces. That piece, and the extra piece. Now, that extra piece would be if you're, you really have a long door, which we don't, so we don't really need the extra piece. But you would screw it on like he's doing right now, and then you add the end there, and that's pretty long. So that's really pretty long, and it's too long for our door. So Harry, take that part off. Oh, you want to show that's too long? Okay, that is way too long for our door. So even at the shortest, it's still too long. So we only using 2 pieces because ours is just this size door. So he's gonna take it off, put just the 2 pieces on. And all you have to do is just unscrew it and then screw it, because there's nothing but screws really. Very easy to do. I came right out the box, basically almost done. And let's see, he's gonna put it where it belongs. For us even, it's like almost the last one.
Yeah, but this is how you adjust it.
Yeah, and he's pressing it down. And you can adjust it like that. Just press it down and move it, and that's what you do. So we're gonna put it on the door. Seriously, I was just broke. We need one. And we are from New York, and we don't be playing around, especially Perry. He's from Brooklyn, and he don't play around. You gotta make sure the doors are secure. So he's putting it in right there. It's nice and tight. He does this every night, every single night. He does it. And there it goes.
So you're gonna show this.
Okay. He wants to show you.
You unlock it.
Okay.
It goes nowhere. See?
Yep, it's going nowhere.
Without it.
Perry don't play. He does not play. So that's why we have to have this here. Don't care where we at, what you're doing. We're gonna keep our door locked. And thank you again, guys, for sending this to me. I really, really appreciate it, and I really need it.